Hello and welcome to EPC Upgrade. Here we have an ASUS EPC, very popular model, there are a lot of them out there, and they're an excellent computer. However, one of the things you might have noticed about some of these netbook type devices is they aren't exactly speed demons. Especially with some antivirus software, maybe some other programs installed, they have a tendency to slow down. And while your ASUS EPC might be a year or two old, you probably aren't ready to get rid of it yet. It still has a lot of life left in it. The question is, what can we do to make them faster? So here at EPC Upgrade, we're looking at those very things. What I'm going to do is take a stopwatch and try to time a few of the events that the EPC does and see if we can get a little bit of a handle for what kind of performance gains we actually receive when we actually do increase the RAM or perhaps upgrade the hard drive to an SSD hard drive. So let's start out by just turning the machine on and seeing how long it takes to boot Windows XP and open just a couple of programs, one of them being Firefox. We'll see what kind of time it takes in the standard, shall we say, stock version, and then we'll take some other timings once we can do some of the upgrades. So let's get our stopwatch ready and go ahead and start. As you can see on the screen, this is Windows XP, the way this netbook was originally configured. Later on, we will be upgrading this device to Windows 7, and I'm sure a lot of you will be excited to see what can be done with that on this machine as well. There it's up and running. We don't have Firefox open yet. It takes a bit longer. And there it is, 52 seconds. So 52 seconds recorded for the standard stock installation on this ASUS EPC. We'll start doing some upgrades and we'll see what kind of performance gains we get with our money. Thanks for watching this video. Please come to our website, epcupgrade.com. See you there.